Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save WhatsApp DP pictures, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So when you go to a WhatsApp and then you have a certain someone or someone's account that you fancy or find the DP really likable, and you want to download that, and when you go to the profile, when you tap on it, you can check the picture out, but you cannot download it. There is no option for it, right? Because that is simply a privacy concern, and that's why it does not just automatically allow it to be downloaded whatsoever. So what you can do over here is you can simply go ahead and take a screenshot. You can go ahead and take a screenshot, and unfortunately even that option is not allowed for the security reasons. So what you have to do is you have to go back and take a screenshot like this. So now you can see the picture looks over here. So all you have to do is now crop it and save it. That's the only option available for you to get the picture, and that is it. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.